কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় ও সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় ও সেই চোখের দেখা
My life is like an empty canvas which I have filled with many colors, and with every brush stroke, I paint a new passion. I'm Shubhdashri Singh, and today I'm going to tell you about my little organization, Pyare Pahari. Pyare Pahari is all about Uttarakhand and its birds and beasts and the people and the things that are happening, the mountains, the rivers and the forests and everything. But unfortunately, I'm not a Pahari. I'm not from Uttarakhand. But I love Uttarakhand, and then if I want to go back to my roots, I have no such place where I can go to because my father is from Hyderabad, my mother is from Bihar, my husband is from Balia, which is in UP, and he settled in Delhi. And so I stayed in Delhi for a long, long time. And then I came here, and maybe a quirk of fate and the lockdown and the corona, I just got, I began staying here and I settled down here forever. I came to Missouri and bought this flat, which I thought would be my second home. But just then the pandemic happened, and there were these lockdowns and travel restraints and all these things. And I was just living here, and suddenly I realized that this is my only home. And somehow the splendid isolation of this place and being here didn't matter anymore. It was a heady feeling to be alone and to cope up with life. Being alone is not something which is very tragic. It is a time when you can be with yourself and trying to hone your whatever skills you have, and that's what I'm doing. Just as the snow leopard is a busy animal, I also tried to be busy, and I tried to write first. I wrote a lot of short stories, had them published, and then I began making little paintings and drawings, and then I made proposals for my next film and next film and next film or documentary. And I realized that through all this, there was one thing that was similar, and that was my deepening sense of, the love for wildlife and environment and a fascination for Uttarakhand. So I said, let's open something which encompasses all these little feelings in me, and I opened my little art gallery cum souvenir shop, and I called it Pyare Pahari. And the Pyare Pahari here, I meant the deer mountain dwellers, which for me were the birds and the beasts, not so much as humans as it was for the birds and the animals that abound in Uttarakhand. उत्तराखंड मेरी मातृभूमि मातृभूमि ओ मेरी पितृभूमि ओ भूमि तेरी जय जयकारा महिमाला हिमाला तेरी जय। I'm not much of a propagator for antiques because I feel, why should a whole generation of artisans be denied their uh, work, and they are as good as any of the antiques, if not so good. Maybe they cost so little, and the antiques cost so much, and it's very difficult to find them. So I wanted to get local artisans who do wood carving, and Uttarakhand has some of the most wonderful wood carving. Let na. Let जाता है मशीन। तो हम लोग लाता विलेज आ चुके हैं और हम लोग मिल रहे हैं रघुवीर सिंह बटोला से, लेकिन हम तो इनको आर्टिस्ट बोलेंगे, यहाँ गांव में इनको कारपेंटर बोलते हैं, लेकिन हमारे लिए तो ये आर्टिस्ट हैं, क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर जानवर और चिड़ियों के मूर्ति बनाने वाले हैं, जो कि हम लोग अपने प्यारे पहाड़ी के लिए बनवा रहे हैं और वहाँ ले जाएंगे, और द लकी पीपल विल गेट सम रियल सुवेनियर ऑफ उत्तराखंड टू टेक बैक होम। आप भालू हैं, हम स्नो लेपर्ड हैं। So how do I feel about not being a part of the film world? Yes, I do miss it, and it's a wonderful and heady feeling to make a film, and this is a big unit, you know, everybody's a joint effort, and we make a film, and then it reaches homes and far and wide, and then not being the OTT generation also is very sad. But and yes, I do drown in nostalgia very often, and I feel very sad that I'm not being able to make a film for a long time, but I am here and now, and I must make the best of it. So I thought, why not translate all my feelings, all my love for the animals and birds of Uttarakhand into something small and yet so loved that it cannot fail. And so Pyare Pahari is open for everybody and me to make just a gesture. And I hope one day you will walk into my Pyare Pahari souvenir shop and take home a memory from Uttarakhand.
झूरो लगी तेरी पानी पीबे ना जाऊं पीछे वे खाई ना तेरे कानों ओ साथी ओ साथी ओ साथी तेरी चिट्ठी पतरी आई ना ओ साथी ओ साथी ओ साथी तेरी चिट्ठी पतरी आई ना झूरो लगी तेरी पानी पीबे ना जाऊं किथे झूरो लगी तेरी पानी पीबे ना जाऊं किथे भी खाई ना ओ साथी ओ साथी ओ साथी तेरी चिट्ठी पतरी आई ना ओ साथी ओ साथी ओ साथी तेरी चिट्ठी पतरी आई ना।